Welcome to my Super Bowl snack series. Two of my baddies that are hosting are going to a Super Bowl party this year. Here's an easy, delicious snack that'll seriously impress any guest. I'm starting with a pack of little smokies and a pack of bacon. I'm cutting that into thirds, and then I'm gonna roll up my little smoky in the bacon just like this. Then I'm sealing them with a toothpick just so they're easy to grab. Now for my brown sugar barbecue rub, I'm doing brown sugar, cayenne, and this really good seasoning from Fire and Smoke Society and mixing that well. Lastly, to my nice deep baking dish, I'm gonna add some foil, then grab my seasoning mix and my little smokies and roll them around in that seasoning until they're really nice and coated. And with that extra seasoning, I'm going to pour it on top before popping them in the oven at 375 for about 40 minutes. And look how these turned out. They were caramelized, sweet, smoky, and highly addictive. These will be a hit for any Super Bowl party.